In this video, let's go through BeReal app and try to understand how it works in case you just can't figure it out. So this app is kind of Instagram, but it's a bit different. So the core idea of the app is once per day you get a notification that you need to post an image. And you have like 2 minutes to post that image, and you can just do it during that time frame. And basically you post the image with your front camera and with your back camera. So you post your selfie, and also like the back camera just takes the picture of what's happening around you. And this is not the app where you have 20 minutes or 10 minutes to create like a perfect setup, like perfect landscape. So the whole idea of the app is it's a bit like, it's in the name, like BeReal. It's a bit anti-Instagram, so no perfect nature or perfect surroundings, perfect outfits. It's just like you capturing your real moment right now. Are you commuting? Are you at a holiday? Are you at work? Are you just sitting and watching Netflix? So you're just capturing your current moment. And then you can see in the feed of this app, this is like what people are just doing right now. Someone is studying, someone is in the gym, someone doing some refurbishments, someone is at work. So this is what I'm doing right now. That's the whole idea of the app. That's why it's called BeReal. And then you can basically see what your friends are up to exactly these 2 minutes. And then you kind of have like this one per day catch up, like what are you doing right now? So and then you capture your real moment at this exact time. So I'm here in the Discovery tab. Looks like Instagram. I can see what's happening. Then also I can add this real emoji. So I can just add some emoji and react to this image, because sometimes it can be really funny. People are in really weird situations sometimes, and then you can just capture that. So that's cool. Then you can of course follow someone. Then you can just go to the profile. You can add as a friend, you can copy profile URL, and you can share the link. So that's how you add friends. Then you can see your friends in your separate tab like this. Then you can just comment also under the photo. You can add some real emojis. So that's the whole idea. This is my BeReal. I just took it right now. So it's very important in this app to enable notifications. So one per day you just get that notification, and then you need to post the photo literally in 2 minutes. Then you can just share it. It's important when you post in BeReal, so you select the privacy of it. So either you just share it to your friends, either it's like private, or it's just sharing to public, and then it will appear in Discovery feed. It's not possible to change the privacy of BeReal after you posted it, so just be careful. Then, because you have not so much time and you need to be really fast, some images are not that great, and people are wondering like how to delete those. So you can just tap on 3 dots and then delete it from your memories, and then the image should be deleted. Then here is your account. You can change profile picture and do all the standard stuff. And then you can also deactivate and delete memories. If you deactivate your memories, all your BeReal will be permanently deleted and recoverable. All your future BeReal won't be saved in memories and will be automatically deleted as well. So you can do it here, because some people are concerned about the privacy, and that's how it works here. Then there are some other settings. You can enable fast camera, but it reduces quality. You can also clear cache. So that's basically it. Then you can also reach out to help. If you want to contact us, you can reach more about and that's the app. You can view your all memories if you enable them, how they look like. That's basically the idea. Then you can You can add or search friends. You can see some suggestions. You can add friend. You can see your friend requests, and then just hang out on the app like that. So that's the overall idea of the app. That's how it works. Yeah, so very interesting approach. It's something like, anti-Instagram, because some people like Instagram, some people say it's a bit too unrealistic. It's like people are trying to take these perfect photos, and everyone seems that your friends are living in some perfect lifestyle, but in fact, it takes like 30 minutes to take that exact photo in perfect outfit, in perfect restaurant or something like that. It's not actually your real life, and it can have some consequences on you, because you're just looking at your friends, like all they are living this like incredible lives. They're just having this incredible lifestyle. What about me? But BeReal app is more kind of realistic. It doesn't create that kind of pressure, and it's more kind of relaxed app. But I don't know, it's just this feeling I have about the app. Maybe you just have other ideas and it's more useful for you in other way. So that's basically that's the idea. Also, there is a BeReal widget which you are able to install as Locket widget or Noted widget, so you can just install it on your iPhone as well. Hope this is helpful.